Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Kalan Nurfitra Subai from BSI Sleepy University. Here I want to show my opinion about the match between Indonesia and Bahrain. The Bahrain vs Indonesia match in the third round of the 2026 World Cup qualifiers in the Asia zone end with a draw of 2-2 Thursday, October 10, 2024 night. The away match held at the Bahrain National Stadium, Rifa, was third matchday in Group C. As is known, there were several referee decisions that were considered beneficial to the home team. The match that ended in a draw also received attention from various media in the world. In my opinion, there were several controversies that were unfair to Indonesia. The first Rafael strike first fall in the 25-minute strike was cautioned for fouling a Bahrain player. At the time, he was fouled by a Bahrain player. Both went down, but the referee gave strike a warning. The second referee extra time, the strange incident that occurred during the Indonesia vs Bahrain match was the referee extra time in the second half. The referee gave an additional 6 minutes, which became more than 9 minutes. The long whistle was only blown after Bahrain scored the second goal, to equalize the score 2-2 with Indonesia. The third VAR goal, the Bahrain goal, was considered invalid by the Indonesian players. Even the position of the ball was considered offside. The ball had previously touched a Bahrain player before finally being kicked into the pass goal by Mohamed Mahron, who was offside. Unfortunately, the goal could not be done by VAR checking because the referee. The fourth, easy to give violation to Indonesia. During more than 100 minutes of his leadership in the match between Bahrain and Indonesia, referee Al-Kaf also very easy, giving the flat decision to the part the hard Indonesia allowed. Al-Kaf blew his whistle 27 times in the match for Indonesia. In contrast, Bahrain was recorded as only 10 times considered to have committed violation against Indonesia players. Maybe this all my opinion about this match. Hopeful Indonesia football will continue to progress and can qualify for the World Cup. Thank you. My name is Kalam Nurfitra Subai from BSI Sleepy University. I want to explain what is present continuous tense. The definition of present continuous tense is a tense form that you can use to explain something or express an action that is taking place at a current time in the present. What is the present continuous tense formula? The present continuous tense positive tense formula subject plus be, I'm, are, is plus verb ing plus complement. Present continuous tense negative tense formula subject plus be, I'm, are, is plus not plus verb ing plus complement. Present continuous tense interrogative tense formula be, I'm, is, are plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Positive tense present continuous tense. The subject in a sense is usually a pronoun or noun. They are three types in pronouns based on their point of view, namely first person, I or me, and we or us. Second person, you. Third person, she, he, it, and they. And they are two types of pronouns and nouns based on their number, namely singular and plural. In first person, I is the singular and we is the plural. In the third person, she, he, it is the singular and they is the plural. Meanwhile, in second person, both the singular and plural form are you, the meaning of you as you, and is adjusted to the context. Present continuous tense, negative sense. Because the name itself is a negative sense, the main characteristic of the sense form is the presence of the word not, which is located between be and verb ing. So the form is subject plus I'm, are, is plus not plus verb ing plus complement. Interrogative sense, present continuous tense. Interrogative sense or questions sense have two types of questions, namely yes or no questions. For questions that have a yes or no answer, you can immediately write be, I'm, are, is, the, then followed by the subject and verb ing at the beginning of sentence. Characteristic of present continuous tense. 1. Talking about things that are currently happening or will definitely happen. 2. There is a time statement that shows the current time. 3. Using verb ending in ing. 4. Always used to be in various conditions. Time adverbs in the present continuous tense are divided into two, namely 1. The time at which the conversation is taking place, or at the time of speaking. You can use this description when having a conversation while doing other activities at the same time. 2. The activities or actions you take place around the time of speaking. Use of present continuous tense. 1. Things that are happening now. Example, positive. I am reading this letter to express my longing to my boyfriend. Positive. She is reading a romance novel right now. Negative. They are not eating the cake. Negative. He is not dancing on the stage. Interrogative. Is mom cooking now? Interrogative. Are you crying right now? 2. Temporary event. Example, positive. He is studying a new language at the moment. Positive. She is upgrading her computer skill at the moment. 3. Talk the action around the time of speaking. Example, positive. Rara is taking 3 classes this semester. Negative. Arnold is spending a lot of his money this week. 4. A new partner or habit. Example, positive. This day, people are reading emails a lot less than they used to a few years ago. 5. Future plan. Example, positive. When we arrive at the airport, we are taking a private car direct to the hotel. Positive. My manager is promoting Stacy to be the new lead team next month. What are present continuous tense? 1. Example of positive sense in the present continuous tense. I am reading a letter to my friends. She is reading a book in the park. They are playing football on the field. He is cooking dinner for us. We are studying for the exam tomorrow. The sun is setting over the horizon. She is studying French at the language school. They are painting the walls of their house. We are attending a conference next week. 2. Example of present continuous in negative sense. I am not watching TV right now. She is not listening to music at the moment. They are not playing video games at the moment. He is not eating lunch right now. We are not swimming in the pool at the moment. I am not talking to my ex-boyfriend anymore. They are not eating spicy food. He is not driving a car to work. 3. Example of present continuous tense interrogative form. Are you watching a movie right now? Is she studying for the lesson tomorrow? Are they playing basketball in the park? Is he listening to music right now? Are we going to the party tonight? Is the baby sleeping right now? Are they traveling to Europe next summer? Is the playing tennis with her friends? Are they working on a group project? Are we going to beach the weekend? When cannot the present continuous tense be used? Do not use the present continuous for all events that occur in the present that occur normally or over a long period of time and repeatedly. Example, I play the piano every morning. The sense above is in the simple present tense, so you cannot change the sense above to I am playing the piano every morning. Verb that cannot be used in present continuous tense. Perception and sensations. Verb that indicate human sense. Hear, taste, smell, see, sound. Condition, emotion, attitude. Verb that indicate condition, emotion, and attitude. Love, hate, adore, adopt, like, forget, agree, disagree. Having a being. Verb that indicate ownership. Be, have to, cause, require, belong, include. Stance. Verb that indicate stance, sit, stand, lie, life, face. Function of present continuous tense. Expressing an action that is currently taking place. Expressing an action that is taking place in the near future. Expressing a change that is happening now. Expressing a temporary or transient action. Expressing a disturbing habit. Generally, the following time adverbs are used in present continuous tense sense. At the time of speaking, right now, at the moment, today, at present. Around the time of speaking, this month, this year, this week, this semester. Maybe that's all the explanation for me. Thank you so much.